All right, total crypto market cap. And then we're also going to take a peek at the altcoin market cap. So we're going to start off on the weekly chart, which is already zoomed way out on the macro scale. And then we're going to go even bigger. The monthly, the 3-month, the 6-month. Crazy stuff. So all those people panicking and are bearish and thinking we're got to go down, you're likely focused in too much. You're zoomed too far in. I invite you to zoom out and look at the crypto space from space. Way the hell out here. Calm. Be calm. The more panicked you are, the likely the more zoomed in. If you want peace, you got to zoom out. So here we go. The weekly chart. Starting off on all of crypto, right? So we have a move up. Consolidation sideways. Holding the EMA8. Bounce up. Big bears are nowhere. Big bulls in full charge here. Right? When you hold the EMA8, easy to make these massive moves. Consolidation, bigger. Much more bigger consolidation here. But look at this move down here. All the way to the EMA21. We spent 50 days going down about 25%. Sentiment wasn't too bad there. Now it's way worse. And we have a much less of a downturn. 18% from high wick to low wick on this move here. About the same time frame. Still holding above the 21-week EMA. Two and a quarter trillion. Hello, right? Let's look at last cycle. We're still near range highs for market cap from peak last cycle. And I would argue that we're only about halfway through this cycle. I still think we have a better part of a year to go in this crypto cycle, and these charts will start to back that up. So if you're bearish here, let's again zoom out. We're at range lows, consolidating above the 21-week EMA. What's not to like? Let's go to the 3-month chart. How about the 1-month chart? We'll start there. We'll keep this nice and short. Okay, now look at this. Again, all of crypto consolidating at or above previous market cycle highs is absolutely bullish. Not only that, we haven't even tested the EMA8 on the monthly. How bullish is that? Just like we looked at the weekly back here, consolidating above the EMA8. Imagine doing that on the monthly scale and still being bearish. It's like almost laughable. Consolidating above at the EMA8 and previous all-time highs. Amazing, right? Zoom out. Look at this. Look at where we are. Look at the panic. All right, now let's zoom out even more. How about the 3-month chart? Some of these charts you may have never even seen. Look at that. We're literally above previous all-time highs on a 3-month candle chart. After a whopping 14% downwards move in this past 3 months, sarcasm at its best, right? If you couldn't read between the lines here, right? Look at this. Look at that 3-month warning sign right there, though, right? That was a little bit of a sign. We don't have nothing like that. Look how bullish this was the first quarter. Second quarter. Just a little bit of a break before likely continuation to the upside. So let's zoom in here. Right? Look at this. Look how bullish this looks. I don't know how you're bearish here. Right? Let's zoom out even further. 6-month. Look at the 6-month chart. I invite you to show me the bears here. How can anyone be bearish looking at this chart? It's a little crazy. We're pushing range highs. We're right at range all-time highs. All-time high close per market cap is 2.18 trillion. Where are we now? We're above all-time highs. If we close in 3 days, this is 3 days. Come July 1st, we are literally closing potentially the all-time high market cap candle. For the 6-month zoomed way out, we're out in space. That's zoomed out. What's not to like here? Where's the panic and chaos? It's sure as hell not in this chart. Let's go look at the altcoins chart on the 6-month. How are you bearish here? 2017 highs equals bear market 2022 lows. Pretty amazing. Holding the EMA8, you guessed it, that red line. Altcoins looking primed to blow up here, right? Why not here? 3 days, we close this candle. I expect a nice 6-month candle to close out the year above $1 trillion for altcoins. Should be relative easy, right? Looking good. Okay, now let's go back to our total and look at the annual candles. So here's annual candles. Yes, you got that right. Each candle is 1 year. How is anyone bearish at this point? You should be getting pretty excited here. All right, this is 6 months till we close this one. Can we rhyme with this? Can we go up here a little bit more? Maybe add a cool trillion to the market cap? So when in doubt, zoom out to space. 6-month chart, 12-month chart. No chaos. No emotions. Just look at the facts. The facts look obscenely bullish. All right. Quote and card of the day. We aim above the mark to hit the mark. Whatever your goals are in life, you got to go past what you think you can do. And then even if you miss, you'll be there, right? That's what you got. You got to do that. You'll never get better than what your mind sets its limit to. All right, card of the day. This is a special one. The new Bugatti Tourbillon. I did my best. If you haven't seen this one yet, this is just revealed. 1,800 horsepower V16. Holy hell. 1,800 horsepower. $4 million. Right? I got a couple more cool pictures. Here's the new kind of redesign. This looks McLaren P1-esque to me. At least the rear. If you're familiar with McLaren P1s, maybe you're not. I just so happen to have one right in front of my desk here. Let's look at the rear. Tell me that doesn't look very similar? It looks pretty damn similar. All right. Now let's look at the best picture. And if you're not familiar with this car yet, for the first time ever, at least on a production model, Bugatti has gone vertical. I'm very impressed by that. I love it. And again, if you're looking at the P1, like very similar doors from McLaren's, maybe they're taking a little bit of a move there with the attachment to the roof especially. But looks fantastic to me. I love it. I like that color too. All right, Bugatti Tourbillon. All right, I'll end it there. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching this long. If you have 47 gold stars, and maybe we'll get one of these together. 4 million? Why not? Why not take two? We'll take two.